There was a time I always woke up 3 minutes before the alarm. Like clockwork, I'd beat the beep, make tea, and stand in the silence. Now, the beep wakes me. Every morning. They say it's your body clock, instinct, habit, but I know the truth now. I saw him. A man, short and hurried, in a suit that belonged to another day. He didn't walk, he darted about, checking his beeping device.
2 minutes off the commuter. It's a shame she will miss the train, though. 30 seconds from her. 4.5 minutes, they won't notice that.
And these days, he barely has to try. We give him time freely. Time lost to nothing. He's not cruel. He's just taking back what is not ours to waste.
3 minutes from you, 2 from him, and 60 seconds from the bloke on the bench scrolling on his phone. They barely notice me stealing their time. This will be hard. Here we are, Ward B. 10 minutes. I am sorry. I wish I could give you so much more. I had to pull these from 12 different people just this morning.
10 minutes. Just 10. But enough to say a goodbye they couldn't before.
I don't take time, I just redistribute it.
This morning I woke 5 minutes after the alarm. And I knew. Someone else must have needed those minutes more than me.